how's it out there? Well, if you look down there, you can see that rogue wave, which I did not get on video, actually caved in the sheet metal on the door, which is something I'm going to need to fix before next weekend. It also busted the bungee cords off of our grill cover, but I did manage to catch the grill cover before it blew away, and I said I got a little bit of rusty stuff to clean up. But well, the carpet needed washing anyway. We had a good 4 inches of water on top of this carpet as it went down through the boat when we hit that rogue wave. But that'll happen on the river. I wish I could have avoided it, but by the time I saw it, there wasn't a whole lot I could do about it. Okay, if we're going to do a river cruise, we've got to have some beverages to go along. And what you see on the left there, that is one of my koozies, and you can draw your own opinion, but that is actually a rum from the Cayman Islands that we get when we go down there and bring several bottles back, so get your mind out of the gutter. Next one here, you can draw your own opinion on that. It's a Pilsner beer. It's not bad. It's similar to the taste of Bud Light. The next one here is from the Goose Island Beer Company out of Chicago. It's called Summertime. Very, very good. Drink that quite a bit. And here's something that I was a little bit skeptical on trying for the first time. And no, those are not my cigarettes in the background. This is from the Oliphant Brewing Company, and it's called Chargoth, and it is a smoked Vienna lager. So I was a little bit skeptical on trying that, but by golly, it tastes just like smoked ribs. So I was impressed with that, and when I go up to our friend's place tonight, I'll probably have another one. But a couple of little things that you got to have when you go on a river cruise, even though things are a little bit rough. These were some of the beverages I enjoyed today.